Today we're making my mother-in-law's minestrone. These are the vegetables that we're going to use. I'm ketoing it, so no potatoes or beans. We start with 2 onions. It could be any color of an onion. We're going to chop them, not too small. We want all the flavors to stand out. And then we start to saute them in olive oil in a pan. While they're cooking, peel the carrots, and then we're going to cut the carrots in small rounds if they're small, or cut them in moons, half moons if they're larger. Add those to the onions and give them a good stir so they start to cook as well. We're going to peel the celery with a potato peeler. It's good to get those threads off, and then chop those too, not too small. So you're mixing them all together, and this is what we call basically a sofrito, the base for everything. Now we're going to do our zucchinis, cut lengthwise and then into small pieces. Add those together and mix well. We're going to add our leafy things now. We're going to add some cabbage. Take out the core and then slice that, not too thin, and chop. Add that to your soup pot. Give it another stir so everything from the bottom is coming to the top. And now our kale, cavolo, we're going to remove it from those hard stems. You grab it at the bottom, hold the stem, and pull the leaves towards the top. That way you have just the leaves, and you can chop those and add those to the soup as well. Squares, strips, whatever you like. This is a base for a Tuscan soup, really, always kale. Now we're going to add some beautiful chard. I would slice lengthwise through that stem and then cut it into smaller pieces. Remember, it's all going to be eaten on a soup spoon. Once we have all our vegetables in there, you want to sprinkle it with sea salt, cover it, and let that all steam down. It's going to reduce by half. So once it gets reduced, we're going to add water. I just add regular water. You could add broth if you wanted to. And then we're going to cover it and cook it again. And this is our finished broth. But what I like to do is to add tomato paste. I think it gives it a beautiful color and makes it just even better. Serve it with Parmesan cheese on top, and buon appetito.